Hey guys, it's Cynthia from Cynthia's Creation, and I'm here with another DIY. Not a DIY, not a DIY. I'm here with a tip. Have you ever ran out of reforms? I have. Have you ever ran around to all these stores, you try to order online, and they're all sold out, or they're on back order? Well, here's a quick tip, and it works for me. Most of my requests are from people that are going to use the frames inside of their homes anyway. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use a foam board. I'm going to show you how you can actually get 4 wreaths out of one foam board. So here we go. You take your wreath form, just trace it. We're going to trace it on the inside. We're going to trace it on the outside. And we're going to do that twice. I'm always thinking of a way to save time and to make sure I have product on hand, and I'm sure you guys know what that's like. So if you haven't done this before, there you have 4 reforms. You have one in the center and you have one on the outside. I'm going to keep my outsides because right now the canvases that I'm working on, this centerpiece is more than enough. I'm going to show you what this centerpiece, how much mesh this centerpiece can hold. This circle can hold this much mesh, which is actually a lot. This is a lot. Okay. That's a lot. Because if you put her on one of your Divas, her hair is full. And that's from, just from this circle that's in the center. So all you do is, which some of you may already know, you're going to take your X-Acto knife and you're going to score it first, because it is foam board. You don't want to rip it up. If you want to double it, you can to make it stronger, but most people are not going to mishandle your artwork once it's completed. You're going to hang it on the wall, and it's going to be one and done. And then it's not heavy. You know, when you go to paint or do something, redecorate your home, you have to move all the heavy furniture, remove everything off the wall. This is so lightweight. And we all know this is lightweight. I'm only using the center, like I said, because the center is plenty for what I need to do. But if you want, if you're making something larger, you can use this whole circle piece here. If you find this tip useful, please like this video or comment, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Cynthia's Creations. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I finished cutting them out, and this is the wreath board that you'll be able to apply your mesh to. And this is a circle that I'm going to be using for another craft. And as you can see, same size on the back. It's large enough for you to add your mesh, and it will completely cover your Diva's hair, your Diva's head. If you like this tip, again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell so you will be notified each time I load a video. Thanks, peace, and God bless.